Hello again, this is Steve from the Grassy Mitten. Do you see that fence behind me, all bowed out like that? We're gonna try and fix that today. Let's get to it. Okay, so this is what I picked up. I got the EZ Mender fence post mender. This is supposedly gonna fix my problem. So what you need to do is get the EZ Mender. You need a big hammer, 1/4-inch hex drive, 1.5-inch screw, a ratchet or a drill, and a broken fence. So this is the culprit right here. It's just rotted and warped, broken down. What this is supposed to do is go between the fence post and the cement. And drive down. So you hit the hammer right there, and it drives it down. And it's supposed to straighten this out, and it's gonna be a temporary fix until I can get a new fence. But hopefully this straightens it out so it doesn't look so bad. So let's get to it. Okay, so I got it in. It's a little bit better than it was, not a whole lot. But I'm gonna put some pilot holes. Just put the screws in here, here, and here. And then I'll secure it to the post, and then we'll see what the final results are. Here we go. Well, it's all done. Is it any better? I don't know. It's a little bit sturdier. It doesn't help that the cement is all broken up down here. It's old, and what it comes down to is it really just needs to be replaced. But if this gets me some temporary time, that's a little straighter than it was. A little bit. But overall, I think it would be a good investment if you had a better situation than me and your cement's not tore up. But yeah, I may do another post just to see how well it does the other side. So, all right, this one's even worse. There's just nothing left of my post. This is awful. So I'm gonna try this one and see if it holds this one up a little bit better. I recommend wearing some ear protection. This gets pretty loud. It's like a gun going off. Okay, this one definitely, that's definitely a lot better. Before it was just flopping around. Now it's got some stability. So yeah, that definitely did what it's supposed to do. I like that one. Overall, the fence is still a mess, but I mean it's a little bit straighter than it was. So. Yeah, overall, I would say this is a good product if you just need a quick fix temporarily. So, all right, hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Appreciate you watching.